Hi students, welcome to Tridivesh Educare. After so many requests, I thought to discuss about that the reduced syllabus for the year 2021 for that class 10 mathematics. This time that we will analyze about that the class 10 mathematics. Mathematics as you know that it is a single paper and it comprises of approximately 25 chapters. But however, because of that the corona effect, because of that COVID-19 this time, that because of the loss of so many classes, the board has decided to compensate this one by giving you some sort of reduction in that mathematics chapter. So, as per that board views, it is coming about 20%. Who knows that in future you may get some sort of more reduction in that syllabus. Hope for the best. So, we start with that the first chapter according to that of the syllabus. According to the revised syllabus, the first unit which contains the commercial mathematics. As you know that the importance of commercial mathematics every year, definitely the students they used to get near about 15 to 25 marks from this commercial arithmetic, and I think that commercial arithmetic is comparatively easier for those students, those who are appearing every year that the ICC board exam. Anyhow, in that commercial mathematics, the first chapter which previously it was there GST, goods and service tax. Now it is there in that as it is given. According to that of the detailed analysis, that computation of tax including problems involving discounts, list price, profit, loss, basic cost price, including including inverse case. So here all these things has to be noted that yes, discount may be given, and just like in real life what happens that the GST, on the basis of that the variation of the commodities, the GST differs, and that too also from state to state, on the basis of different types of commodities the GST value, that also GST slab also differs. But the board has not gone up to that much of complexity and has simplified this one for that class 10 student, and the basic view for that the students should know somehow the basic concept about that the GST, how it has to be calculated. So that is why in this case that you have that the computation of tax including problems involving discounts, list price, profit, loss, basic or cost price including inverse cases, as it was there. Now this is also after reduction also the same thing it is there. There is no change. The second one, that is your banking. But I think perhaps before 4 5 years, in that banking chapter, the same banking chapter was there. But however, the facilities like savings bank account and recurring deposit both were there. But gradually, for last 2 to 3 years, we have already seen that the savings bank account calculation of that the interest from that savings bank account is no more with the syllabus, and this time only that recurring deposit part that is there. So that is why recurring deposit accounts, specifically computation of interest and maturity value by using the formula I is equal to P into n into n plus 1 into r upon 2400. That is the basic formula for calculating interest, and similarly maturity value that can be calculated directly, or first you calculate the interest and then thereafter it can be calculated into number of terms or number of months into the equivalent principal deposited plus the interest which you have calculated separately, that has to be added. Then the same thing as usual, before it was there, now also the same thing it is there. So there is no change, but there is a very big change. The third chapter, which was shares and dividend, for so many years it was there, shares and dividend. But this time, ICC has cut that shares and dividend, so that is why that shares and dividend part is not is no more with this syllabus. So that is why in commercial arithmetic, commercial mathematics, that you are getting only two chapters. One that GST, the second one is banking, and that too specifically it is recurring deposit. That is about commercial arithmetic. Now the second unit that contains algebra, which is I think for us, so far as that board is concerned, ICSE board is concerned, algebra part means more importance is given to that algebra. So that is why ultimately more chapters are there in that algebra. So in algebra there is no such type of major changes, but however a little bit changes are there. Linear inequation, previously as it was, now also the same thing. Quadratic equation in one variable, that also the same manner as it was there, it is now also in the same manner. But however, in case of ratio and proportion, again you check that ratio and proportion. The first bit which was there previously, proportion, continued proportion, mean proportion, all these are there. Second one, that the regarding that the properties of the ratios or the proportions, that is your componendo, dividendo, alternando, invertendo properties and their combinations, all these are as usual it was there before, now also in the same manner it is there. However, the third one, that direct simple application on proportions only, that third bit is cut off. So there is a very slight change in that. Direct simple application on proportions only, that is cut off. What does it mean? It means that only you have to focus on that of the properties, componendo, dividendo, alternando, invertendo, and all these properties, and ratio and proportion, only the basic things. But however, the direct simple applications means, I think perhaps in numerical based problems means or that very critical things which you are expecting, like that part, that is cut off, because it is direct simple applications and proportions only, which was before there, now it is no. Otherwise, factorization of polynomials, there is no change. Matrices also no change. Now again you come to that the sixth chapter, that is your arithmetic and geometric progression. Previously previously we had in our syllabus that arithmetic and geometric progression both, but this time that geometric progression is deducted. There is no more geometric progression, only that arithmetic progression. Only arithmetic progression, no geometric progression is there in that reduced syllabus. Now in this case, it is also more specific. In that arithmetic progression also it is specific. Specifically, finding their general term. It is there to find out the general term, that t term number n term, that is there, which we are using that formula, that a plus n minus 1 into d, that is there. Finding the sum of their first n terms, Sn value, that you have to find out the sum of all the numbers, how many terms are there and their numbers, that is there. But however, the simple application of this arithmetic progression is deducted. Means that previously they were having some sort of previous syllabus that had some sort of numerical problem. What problems were there based on this arithmetic and geometric progression? Now geometric progression is no more. And second to that, arithmetic progression also, which what problems previously there, now that is also not there. Simple applications means based on that arithmetic progression, it is not there. Only simply that how to find out the term, and second to that, the sum of all the numbers present in that series. The next unit that contains coordinate geometry. No, the next, sorry, that the next chapter, that is your coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry, there is no change. A reflection as it was there, now also in the same manner. Coordinate expression, section and midpoint formula also it is there. Equation of line. So there you are not getting any sort of reduction. geometry, that some of the theorems that are cut up. For example, that we have in case of the similarity conditions of similar triangle as a size transformation, it is there. Comparison with congruency, keyword being proportionality means it is based on that your basic proportionality theorem. So that is there. Three conditions such as side SSS, SAS and angle. This the proof is not there, proof is not included, and at the same time also the simple application of that is somehow deducted. Somehow deducted in the sense, I think probably the riders, those which are comparatively difficult riders for you, which you are thinking that these are the difficult riders, deduction. So that part are not there, but however, to find out the different angles basing on these properties, or to find out the value of a particular side according by following that of the basic proportionality theorem and other similarity theorem. So it is there. But direct application means areas of similar triangles are proportional to the square of the corresponding side, it is there. Direct applications based on the above, including application to maps and models, is not there. It is cut up. Direct applications based on the above, including application to maps and models. So if you have gone through the previous year's questions, then that means you must have known that practically from this similarity chapter, at least one question was coming from that maps and model. But now that part in this reduced syllabus, that part is cut off and it is no more. So that is why you have got a little bit relaxation there. Second to that, come to that loci. Loci chapter is no more with this reduced syllabus. According to the reduced syllabus, that loci chapter is cut off. So that is why no need of preparing for that loci, even though it is a very small chapter and basically it is based on that the construction part. Previously, as it was there, we are getting maximum 4 to 5 mark questions regarding that the geometrical constructions without proving that one. But now it is not there. Then come to that the circle part. Circle part, there is no deduction. So all that what it was there previously, now also in the same manner, all the theorems and all the concepts, all the riders, everything is there. But only the thing is that proofs of the theorems given above are to be taught unless specified otherwise. Means proofs of the theorems given above are to be taught. In that syllabus, if you will go through that the syllabus entirely detailed, you will go through that the syllabus. Then you will find out there is a note. A note is given there that proofs of the theorems given above are to be taught unless specified otherwise. In the sense, the proof of all these theorems are not required. Only taking the statement of such type of theorems that and their application has to be done. So the proofs are not necessary. However, that the calculation of that angles basing on these properties of that the circles, that means the arc properties, angle properties, basing on that whatever it is required, it is given as it was there now also in the same manner. Similarly, construction also there is no change. Construction of tangents to a circle from an external point, and second one, circumscribing and inscribing a circle on a triangle and a regular hexagon. It was previously there and now also in the reduced syllabus it is there. In case of mensuration, there is no such type of change, it is as usual. And trigonometry, that using identities to solve or prove simple algebraic trigonometrical expressions basing on that the trigonometrical identities, it is there. Heights and distance also it is there, and cases involving more than two right angle triangles excluded. In case of height and distance, whenever you are getting those problems. To work out these problems, to solve these problems, maximum to maximum two triangles will be given. That may be in a different way. Sometimes one diagram containing two triangles and their properties. On the basis of that, you have to solve. Or it may be a little bit complex, containing that angle of elevation, angle of depression in one figure. Both may be there, but however, maximum to maximum two triangles should be there. It should not be exceeded more than two triangles. Statistics part, which is a comparatively short and comparatively easier part, and more or less most of the average people they used to prefer this mensuration, means that sorry, that statistics. Maybe for that reason that board has not given any sorts of reduction in that statistics. So statistics, as it was there previously also, now it is there in the same manner. It is there. There is no change. And the last chapter, that is your probability. Probability is a very simple chapter, and in future also it will be of very much use. So very much useful chapter. So that is why probably the board might have thought in that way. So that is why probability they have not reduced anything. So this in this particular syllabus that you will see, hardly you are getting three chapters benefit, 3 to 4 maximum, maximum 3 chapters in total. Briefly, you will see that in total you are getting 3 chapters benefit or 3 chapters reduction. One, that is your shares and dividend in case of commercial arithmetic. The second one, in case of ratio and proportion, little bit that reduction that you are getting regarding the simple applications. And similarly, in case of your that the geometric progression, in case of algebra geometric progression, that you have got reduction. Third one, perhaps in case of your that the geometry part, that similarity you are getting little bit reduction. The application in case of the maps and models and loci. These are some of the chapters which are excluded from your syllabus, and in reduced syllabus, rest all the chapters as it was there, all these are there. So hopefully that in near future, if the normalcy does not arrive, if the normalcy will not be there, and hopefully if it may continue for 1 or 2 months, the same situation will continue for 1 or 2 months. Hopefully you may get little bit more reductions from that board side, and in such cases we have to see that actually what sorts of reduction it will be given and which chapters will be reduced. Hope for the best, that hope for that some more reductions, and that too it should be beneficial to you. That reduction should have to be beneficial to you. It doesn't mean that it has to be given any sort of reduction from that those chapters which are very easy chapters. So once you will think about that the easy chapters, and if it will be reduced from there, then it will be a big loss for you. Hope for the best, and hope you must like, share, and subscribe my video, subscribe my channel, and hope for the best, and think positively about the forthcoming exam. With this, we wait for let us wait for the next upcoming video in my channel. Thank you for very much.